Hey guys, this is a basic setup on how I achieve a really minimal shotgun microphone setup with the Blackmagic Cinema Camera series. I'm recording this audio from my M1 MacBook Pro, so it's also another audio test here. Then we'll transition into the sound from the camera, internal speakers, and then also from the shotgun mic, which is an NTG3 Rode microphone. Here I just have a small basic magic arm attached to a conventional microphone holder. And I've just added a bit of foam to give it a little bit of padding. To set up XLR recording on your Blackmagic, you need to go into audio settings, change the sources to XLR mic, then scroll across and enable XLR phantom power. Now we'll begin the tests with the XLR mic and the camera internal speakers. Testing with the XLR mic, check 1 2. How's it sound? Sound way better? It should sound amazing. So here's the camera sounding with just the internal speakers. I've actually used the internal speakers a lot for documentaries. Testing 1 2 3, check. This is the XLR NTG3 Rode microphone. iPhone, it's got this kind of processed sound that does work. I mean, you can really hear what people are saying and you can understand. NTG3 Rode microphone, shotgun mic attached to the top of the Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K. So that was just a little quick test on the Rode NTG3 into the Blackmagic Cinema Camera, and it sounds pretty good. I'm really happy with it.